To do that. After that, we have a little program so that we can also focus on what Johnny did and some DJ time and some things that we want to say about Johnny. So if you don't mind just coming through here, the tables have little pads on them and marking pens. I would love it if you write a little something about what you can say to Johnny or something that you can dedicate to him. What I will do with that is I will collect them and make it a book so we can have a memory book for that. So that would really be appreciated. So like I said, on the tables, you've got pens and markers. Also on the tables there are little butterflies, and this is for people that want to take one or two. Again, it's a memory thing that I feel he was very much into the garden and greens and enjoying the nature. So if you want to take one or two, there are seeds in there and you can plant it and it will grow. And that will be something that you think about him. I know I'll do that for me. So if you would go ahead and There's a little memorabilia here about Johnny. The children did the DJ thing here, scrapbook. So if you come from that time with him, you can peruse that. And just a few items that I could bring because I know they were dear to his heart. And no, Brazil was not his #1 soccer team, but that's maybe #2. I don't know. It was the first one, Portugal, right? With Cristiano. The ID bands, Rochelle. We were just gonna identify each other. I was hoping that we could say you were a friend from DJ time, you're a business partner or whatnot, but it's hard to do. I wanted to make sure everybody can mingle and relate to each other. We probably all know each other, but I don't. So that was just a little piece of a little dedication. We don't have a lot of time, but I wanted to make sure we concentrated on what we can do and also socialize and enjoy. A couple folks will be coming to you to see if you want something to drink. I'm not doing alcohol because he, at his later part of his life, I'm sure he had his alcohol in his time. I did too. But in the later part of his life, he really didn't do alcohol much anymore. And so if you want, feel free to do that for yourself. But you can order other drinks. And we'll have some little others if you feel to be able to eat, okay? So just come down this way and mingle here. I know it's sad, but that's what we have for us. All wounds. I know that could be true. And I'm talking about Johnny, yeah? Every time you cross my mind, I think you're here with me. Then I sadly realize that it could never be. But then I just can't help but see your memories everywhere. Your coffee cup, your old worn hat, and there sits your empty chair. Then I'll just be thinking of the places we will go, the people we would meet, and see a person we both know. Then I look around and see a gift you gave me, our picture in its frame, and your favorite program, TV. Then I start remembering some place we had to be and the things we used to do. Then I start missing you. Then sometimes out of nowhere, your smiling face I see. I feel your hand inside of mine. Then it seems you're here with me. And then some days it feels so long we've been apart, but neither time nor distance will erase you from my heart. Then I begin to realize it makes me sad and blue that many days and nights I'll be missing you. That's exactly how I feel, everyone, if you ask me. But thank you for being here. I'm so happy you're all here to support, so we're just going to continue on with the evening.
We gave the celebration the name Celebration of Johnny, and because I have the mic in my hand, I will be the first one then to pass it over to somebody who wants to share a special thought or experience with Johnny. It's a celebration because in time, like Kathy said, time will heal the wounds, and we have to remember the great things we had in common and the great things we shared with Johnny. I didn't come prepared for this, so I won't be the first one, but I know the radio DJs are the first one always to open their mouth. There's a lot of DJs here, there's a lot of friends here, so please feel free to take the mic, keep it short. I know that as we go on, more people will loosen up and talk about the memories with Johnny. Okay, is this the part that you want from now on? So I see Jerry coming. Jerry is not a radio DJ, he used to be a DJ, good friend of us. So Jerry.
Johnny was a very humble person. One story he told me once. They had like a mini market, supermarket, and a person came in and robbed a loaf of bread, and when he was going to the door, his father, Johnny's father, said, "Wait, sir, where are you going with the bread? Don't go, don't rob." And he took no, wurst, a ham, cheese, and he gave to the man. He said, "If you need something, tell me, you know." And this is something this guy told me, and he learned a lot of that from this thing. You know, be kind, humble, and just.
Very nice words.
It's also very emotional. Hi. Thank you for coming, everybody. Everybody that knows me well, everybody that knows me well, knows me as a Snoopy fan. I had them in all sizes. Ever since I was a little girl, I seemed to be crazy about Snoopy. But this memory slash feeling kept fading away as I grew older. Even so, my dad knew how to keep the Snoopy himself alive in my life, even though I'm a grown woman. He still would treat me like that little girl. He would send me pictures of anything that has to do with Snoopy. He would buy me Snoopy gifts, Snoopy bathrobe, Snoopy candy, whatever Snoopy. Once I told him I was homesick, so he took a picture of my very first Snoopy and he held his cell phone to make a call to me and took a picture and sent it to me, just to make me smile. 2 days before my 35th birthday, he passed away, leaving me this last Snoopy gift, a little Snoopy angel slash devil. After that, I finally found my answer. All this time searching for my Snoopy feelings as a girl, I ended up finding his feelings for that little girl who was so crazy about Snoopy. Now that feeling has shifted in being grateful for giving me this gift, showing me his love in his own special way. Whenever I see Snoopy, I will think of him.
Very brave. Wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, we can say a good evening, right? Yes, good evening. You will notice we are from radio because you will hear our voice now. So that's it. Johnny Brazel, a very nice guy, always laughing. He's always. I never seen Johnny Brazel like sad or in a bad mood or something like that. He's always laughing. He's always a great guy. And in our time, we were the biggest DJs on the island, everybody in their own section. I was one of the most famous in the public. So we were like having parties from 7 to 8 until 11,000 youth in one room. So we made big things happen on the island. And I can recall once we had a very big party that was in Suvek. That was 1989, if I don't lose my memory. It was one of the biggest party we ever had, and it was my idea to put a very big tower, and he told me I wanted to go on the top of the tower. So we made a tower from 10 meters, and we had the best sound, the best lights. We took them all from Venezuela that time, and we made a very big party. And that was, I think, one or the biggest party we ever had. We had full house, and we had like 5,000 youth outside that cannot come in. So it was a very big party. He was always kind, he was always smiley, and he was always a good gentleman. That's all we can recall of my friend Johnny. Let's give him a very big applause.
Who's next? Who's next? Chips.
Renato Hurtado, better known back then in 75 as Disco Chips, and I knew the brothers Brazao very well. We used to play 15th birthday. Johnny and Manuel, they had this, I think it was a Toshiba amplifier where you can hold in the knob, and you can do mixing from 2 turntables. They had also some speakers I was jealous about because they had the best sounding tweeters. I remember back then when you play like Anita Bell, Ring My Bell, you can hear those sizzling of those speakers. And it was back in the time of the Saturday Night Fever, and you couldn't have the 15th birthday celebration without having the brothers Brazao playing at your party, because if he wasn't there, you didn't have a class cachet style party. He was the most popular DJ back then in 75, as I remember. And one day I was playing with Carnival and I needed some speakers. And I remember he had some Yamaha speakers. I just gave him a call. I said, Johnny, I need the 2 speakers you have. How much would you rent them? No problem, come and get them. I said, but I need them for 2 days. No problem, come and get them. That's the type of guy Johnny was. When you were his friends, you really, really, really were his friend. We will miss him. He's a great guy. Those types that you don't find nowadays anymore.
Anybody? Okay. I'll jump in to fill the gap. Okay.
Ja, men har preparat nada, men sakit vai to be sincero de mi coração. Ja, mi tata tu yan di hobby cos, hobby palavra experiência hobby cos, sempre tá de hobby de bisa. Ja, por si ami hobby cos, pero ik word mais triste tá com timbeta, ora na não tem mais para realizar hobby cos. Tá achteraf voor de bem realizar hobby cos, voor de wak, een sua intenção não. Ik moet bem realizar quanto na asi pabo. E coisa amigo também chegou me tá com tu não. Que também me sa que conhecer de antes que também me sabe disso coisa bom não. E a único que nos por assim tá sim de coisa bom não com nada lá atrás, então carry on with it then su number. Thank you.
Bonita palavra, não? A mim tá outro idioma, Johnny, de Johnny. Tu entende Johnito, você é Johnny Brazao de Cachorro. Mas contato para mim, de meu amigo, não. Para tu gosto, né? Mas tu entende, DJ com open influência na Cachorro. Então, para nós, open influência de música também. Então tem, ela do nosso tour que tá por, sempre dá tempo para mim. A mim não tem nada de malo de vista de minha tata. Cos bom só de vista, então cos bom só para atender DJ. Homem roupa social, coração roupa grande. Então tem sido falta roupa.
Okay, I got a message from DJ Nahum Frank. If any way possible, please read a few words from me to the Brazao clan. This is from DJ Nahum Frank. In 1978, I went to my first teener party. Super shy, didn't know how to dance, how to talk to girls. Johnny Brazao was the DJ at that party. And when I saw what he was doing, I said, that is what I wanted to do. Johnny and his brother Danny took me into the Disco Bersao family. They lent me their turntables and records to go play my party. That was the beginning of my plus 40-year DJ career. Johnny, a great friend, always ready to help anyone out. He will always have this huge part in my heart. Love always, from DJ Nahum Frank.
Boa tarde. Mi nombre es John Anthony. Para mí começar recentemente, dia 5 de dezembro, ano passado, me tive um Back to the 80s party que me quero dedicar especificamente a Johnny Brassau. De como especificamente para sobre... Sorry. Me estava na altura de que cultura estava passando dentro sua situação e que está passando como comunicar com o seu irmão e com a Rachel e para que está a possibilidade para me pôr a dedicar a festa especificamente na Johnny Brassau de com para motivo de nosso tour que estava da DJ tanto de anos 80, 90, cada momento que nós por conversar com ele e também por conversar com nós, ela queda é pessoa que está abrir sempre para ajudar. Nunca e não abira lomba bira bisa, I'm the boss, mita mio, ni nada de sei não. Johnny Brassau aqui da humilde sempre, ela queda é pessoa que cada momento você bate suporta e está abrir para sinhabo, se você não está e pida que quizás você não está, então se acaso porque desenvolver bira vai um tiki mais leu e tá claro para pensar também. Me não conhece Johnny como DJ só, pero me conhece Johnny e sua família por de infância, de fruteria, de casanena, carga bem arriba, de hopi rato me conhece família aqui. Então tá pensei, aí passar, me fiesta com me dava da tinko, me da tim Boogeyman como DJ não, cuido tecla e também Johnny Mercera diretamente fora de Holanda. Me tem fiesta que estava exitoso, pero lo me quiera desear de verdad, dedicar fiesta con una vida, pero me no logré eso por motivo que no estaba de momento apropiado. Pero forza na vos tour, Johnny, sossegada na paz. Thank you.
Boa tarde, nome de Guido Tecla, vamos perto da Grande. No qual me vou pensar de Johnny tá, do qual da fiesta de clube português lata, do Johnny guy que sempre tá muito bonita só tá apresentar na fiesta, que bem se vai para buscar peike dan tem não esse tá nesse sítio, sei me tá corda, seguro, sua fiesta não sempre com ladies não, mas bonita mesmo. Eu sei me agora de Johnny.
Celebration. Tinha mais ani.
Boa tarde. Meu nome é Renato Ribeiro. Me conheci Johnny Brassau de sempre. Tenho me tem 17 anos, 18 anos. Johnny tá toca. Rato em põe por favor. Tá a mami mas super contente com sombra. Para get to durante fiesta não botambe. Kone nos hopi aim nos estava tá ciele. Vai fiesta hopi tocamento no Suvac. Fiesta manevo so abisa cabe fiesta não estava tá jam packed sempre. E também nós estava aí para o beach tempo já também landa. Ski, John tem boto ski por. Também se chama por ski. John dá ski hopi bom. Dos ski, ski, por sim, tá, mete dia como por sobre ski, mas era que para mim aquele space. E de Johnny, me não tem cosia turcos, né, aqui, vou lá algum vai. Das para mim tá dolop grande, tá maneiro rumah para mim. Só que a casa forma sua família e a de mês, ela vai dedicar a família e ama seguir minha caminho, pero sempre não se queda bom amigo. Te aí sempre. Danke.
Misalnya jumpa dia neko mana video pa mi pernah delete video nang sana bira emosional deh video. Per misalnya ting kunanta apta papi wargi. Okay, we fill in the gap. Ami sebut tatau pia lurzi Johnny. Hope you lurzi Johnny, so pami etata e Barry Gibb di corso, pues non con se Bee Gees, eta dice che bei largo, eta bisi su Johnny, sempre best dressed man at the party, mas que the DJ, mas que tem carga cos. Antori, ik temi caution dat met de keer dat aan mi dos voorbeelden pa kiko mi gebeur DJ. Pa tu respect pa tu DJ gebouw, pero met de keer dat aan a forma anto temi I Johnny, to sende ko hopi DJ pa tu mo bong hempel je. Pas de mundo di DJ te hopi een video. De mundo sowieso te hopi ni lurs. Ato tong guy mani hopi en expressa eta tong guy kuta share. Eta care da me pas la toca hopi kosko hopi na bisa. Que oro kuta tim fiesta di persona com disabilidade. Johnny está willing pe toca pana. Totolika, Farid Institute, etc. Wel, die kerosea. Dus als na mi kon se Johnny dus ora botto pong hene sina eta formabo de mobile anche con to hopi mas bia occupato. Besei mi te chiama danke Johnny è un bella per me. La me personalmente e belli lo mi sende na special occasions only. Anto ele che dar ricordami una persona che ha formami me come persona, non come DJ, come persona, come me si sta in vita. Parti bu allegria, se siete in una fiesta, parti bondat e do una buona esempio. Teco de laatste bezig come mira Johnny taba un guy positivo. Anto non sa si planes. Bisami bugi nos te un barbecue, de mita se pari lumito, Johnny, un po' come lumito. Temperado. Keto bai eta asna Johnny tabata. Okay? Ato sno nos kepa, asna ami kepa bosan que da cordera me. E potrati Johnny the great, pero ami sempre me te queda recordar Johnny que bem largo, Barry Gibb tocando. Asna ami que quero recordar Johnny, ato asna me tine demi que um pari potrati je. Kuti outro rene que bisa algo, lo tapong wari que mi saco kati mi saco tin hende ta tiki verlegen per wari nos te kidan como een familie di Johnny, ook nos te familie Johnny per nos te ding circle of friendship di Johnny. Dank u man.
Ik ga even veranderen in Nederlands, want dat is mijn beste taal. Ik heb Johnny ontmoet een aantal, eigenlijk 1,5 jaar geleden. Ik ben de partner van Vanessa. En ze zegt, ik wil dat je mijn vader ontmoet. Gezien hoe wij opgevoed zijn, is altijd u en meneer. Dat mocht ik absoluut niet doen. Ik moest hem Johnny noemen en ik was gelijk een vriend. Ik heb geleerd dat hoe erg het ook is, het leven van hem. Hij bleef plezierig en hij bleef grapjes maken en dansen. En ik stond versteld hoeveel plezier hij had, ondanks hij zo ziek was. Daar kan je als man heel veel van leren. Dat heb ik ook gedaan. Ik heb hem maar 1 keer gezien, een periode, en daarna alleen over de telefoon en app. Maar heb er wel veel van genoten. En de laatste dingen die hij tegen mij zei is, geniet van je leven en zorg voor mijn dochter. Dus dat ga ik ook doen.
Bom, kunot yung ende, toevallig met de Bireski Bina, I saw it in one of an album, it says San Salvador de Azoto. E sempre me te quero guardar que seita Johnny's disco e DJ ni mai toqueta, se seita para Johnny toca na fiesta. Of na ati, se bote guarda para Johnny, you have to wait to play that song because it's Johnny's song. So if anybody else is not saying something, I'll play some music and we'll keep on celebrating Johnny's life. Okay, on behalf of Kathy, I know I know some people are expressing themselves, but a lot of people are withholding. But there's one thing in common, we are sharing the same good feelings about Johnny. Okay, maybe they won't express it, but that's the way. ¿Tiene más que bisa algo? Anybody? No? Okay, I'll play some music and oh, yeah.
Hi, ik ben Peter Kriens en ik was Johnny's gymleraar op St. Joseph MAVO in Pietermaai. En toen mijn geliefde Linda hoogzwanger was en ging bevallen, toen was ik bij Johnny's vader en moeder in de fruiteria aan het wachten tot de baby geboren werd in het advent. Jij was niet mijn baby. Maar ik kan me in die 4 jaar dat ik Johnny les gaf op St. Joseph MAVO, kan ik me alleen maar pret herinneren. Net zoals hij zegt. En ik heb er moeite mee om te weten dat hij er niet meer is. Sorry.
Peter. So Joseph joined the by hunti komitame. Shonang esunang kuta tikiti face ko na expressana mes verbally for the ones a little difficult. I do even in English because I know there's a lot of international friends. You can write your feelings or what your best memories with Johnny. I'll put it on the table and feel free to share some thoughts in his book. Okay.
Hallo. Ik wil graag aan mijn nichten en mijn neefjes laten weten dat we hier zijn gekomen voor jullie en dat we jullie steunen in alles wat jullie nu doormaken. Ja, wij zijn de kinderen van Danny, de jongste. En toen we dit hoorden was het echt een shock voor ons. We leven heel erg mee met iedereen. En wat we weten van oom Johnny is dat oom Johnny altijd een hele goede DJ was. En vooral als je die foto's zo ziet, dan denk je van zo, wat was dat een mooie tijd. Dus ik wil jullie laten weten dat we heel veel van jullie houden. En dat we als nicht en neven voor elkaar moeten klaarstaan. En wat er ook gebeurt, weet je wel. We zijn familie. En we houden heel veel van jullie. Ja?
No, okay, for those of you who don't know which song we're talking about, this is song Salvador. And I guess that's Johnny's favorite record all time. Feel free to mingle and write your feelings in the special book we have there. Okay, not everybody wants to go public, but we have to give a special thanks to Kathy, who went through a lot of things last couple of years on behalf of the family. Okay? Thanks, Kathy.
people singing San Salvador. Now the festival is just beginning. San Salvador, come and join us in the crowded streets. San Salvador, feel happiness inside you. San Salvador, hear the voices ringing, people singing San Salvador. Now the festival is just beginning. San Salvador, come and join us in the crowded streets. San Salvador, feel happiness inside you. San Salvador.
Wise men say only fools rush in.